Hey, I'm Matt Malone with Southwest Michigan's 97.5 White Country, and we have got the hottest 3 minutes for you in financial advice with the Hot 3 and Honor Credit Union. Come be part of it. And being a part of it today is Kayla. Kayla, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good, Matt.
Great. And then we also have Andrew, who is TikTok famous, I might add. Andrew,
Oh,
how
yeah.
are you doing today, buddy?
Doing great. How are you?
Doing awesome. Now,
Good.
as we are all joining together here for the Hot 3, first of all, pre-Merry Christmas to all of you as we are in the holiday spirit. This is a pretty great time of year, isn't it?
The
It
best.
is. I can't
The
believe
most
it's here. I'm
wonderful ever.
excited.
The most wonderful ever. Yes, absolutely. All right. So now with this, let's just be completely honest. Sometimes it's a little bit stressful this time of year as well, especially trying to make that magic for our family members and for our friends and giving them gifts and having to still stay on top of all of our bills that we have each and every month. But Kayla, Honor Credit Union has an opportunity for us, especially this month, to make it still joyful and less stressful at the same time. But how are you doing it?
Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, we understand that a lot of people, it is stressful because you have those bills, you have things that pile up, and you want to make sure everyone's having a great Christmas. So, we have a couple of things that we want to talk about today. So, we have a great auto refinance special going on right now where you can get into some better payments, some lower interest. So, we want to help you out, help you save money. And we also have our skip a pay opportunity right now with the holiday special. So Andrew's going to talk to us a little bit more about that and how that's going to help you save a little bit money, at least just right now, just to get through these holidays, get all those presents, the groceries, everything that you need to stay on top of it this holiday season.
You think about how much you pay maybe on an auto payment. If you've got like a newer vehicle, newer than mine, you could be seeing, $300, $400, and to have that extra money in your account, it's pretty incredible. But Andrew, give us a little bit more insight. How are you doing this? And then not only that, but also having the opportunity to potentially lower payments as well, too.
Yeah, absolutely. So from our side, I mean, the interest rates on auto loans are at a years-long low, probably the lowest since I've started working here, which has been some years. So that's great for members, especially if you haven't evaluated your insurance rate in a while. It's worth talking about. It's worth asking. So have the conversation with us. The auto refinance special is for loans coming from other institutions, so that is a little bit specific. We can definitely help you internally refinance your loan to lower that rate. You just wouldn't be eligible for that cash back or the 90 days. But let's have the conversation. Let's save you some money. That's running through the end of the year. So that's awesome. Coming up here at the end of it. We've been running it for a couple months, but we're really wanting to make that last minute push to try and help people get into a better financial position. The skip a payment, that's also a really great option. It's something that we typically do run throughout the year, but the fee is actually $40 most of the year, all of the year. It's just this special that we're doing right now. We've lowered it down to $19. So, I mean, less than 50% off, more than 50% off. So that's really great too, because, like Matt was saying, you could have a $300 or $400 monthly payment, and sure, it's going to cost you $20, and sure, you're still going to have that payment tacked on to the end of the loan. But I mean, it does buy you that month of time, especially when, if you've got kids or a big family that you need to spend for, it puts a little bit more money in your pocket. So definitely good options. It's super easy to do the skip a payment. You can go online, you can call us, we can e-sign the document to you. You can come in. We try and make it very flexible and very easy for members to reach out and get that done.
And I just have to ask too, with Refi and with Skip a Pay, do we have an end date of when we have to do this by? Because I know we're getting to the end of the year and all of that. So give me a little bit more of a deadline on that, Andrew.
Yeah, December 31st. So that's the end date for these. The skip a payment does always run. It's always an option for a member, but the discounted fee, I should say, is here through the end of the year.
Okay. Well, that is good information to know. I appreciate you sharing that with us. And then Kayla, one more time, because obviously there was a lot of great information there that maybe some of us might have been like, all right, I was, listening. And then I remembered I have to get this for Uncle, Joe or something. Right. Where is maybe a website or a resource that we can go to get more info?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you go to honorcu.com, you're going to find all of these specials running all those details, how you can start that application, but also you can stop and see Andrew and his team in Berrien Springs or any of our local member centers. So head on in there and check it out.
There you go. You can, I don't know, come be part of it.
I think
Won't
you could.
you?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Please do.
Excellent. Andrew, I appreciate you, buddy. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Kayla, as always, great to see you as well, and look forward to seeing you next week, hopefully, for the $500 holiday shopping spree.
Absolutely. Right? Can't wait for it.
There you go. You can still get signed up for that too. 975ycountry.com. With Honor Credit Union, it's the Hot 3. Come be part of it with Southwest Michigan's 97.5 Y Country.